Hi, hello everyone. First of all, a warm welcome to CBS INSTITUte YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you a very important model of profit and loss. The model name is cost price is same. If cost price is same, a net overall loss or profit percentages, whatever you are going to ask in question, is depend on their quantifier. So therefore, overall profit or loss percentage is equal to sum of profit and loss percentages by a number of articles. Why we use average concept? Simple. So if either initial or total is constant, mean is a tendency of given data to identify overall change percentages. Okay, so that's why we use average concept, because cost price is initial value of a price transaction. So that is we use average concept. Okay, so how can you notice given cost price same? We have some three techniques you can identify given cost price is same or not. First one, he literally mention each price, each cost price, he purchased each item. So he specifically mention in a question purchased, so our cost price is same. Okay, that's the first model, is very well known about it. And the second model is very important. So if the number of articles, compared by comparative tools, there are three comparative tools. One is percentage, fraction, and the other is ratio. If number of articles compared by fraction or percentage or ratio, definitely cost price is same. Definitely cost price same, because comparison required a common constant. What is a common constant? Initial is a common constant. That's why a cost price is same. And a third one, if group articles price is given, like 200 articles purchased at certain price, okay, definitely cost price is same. 200 articles, 300 articles, 400 articles is specifically mentioned, definitely cost price same. Okay, these are the three major point you can easily notice cost price is same of given question. Okay, if cost price is same, we use this concept to answer in just a single one line answer. Okay, so now let's go for the 2018 and 2019 a bank and SSC previous year memory based question in this video. Let's start the first question. Okay, so let's look at the first question is of SSC CHSL question. If shopkeeper sold at 1/3 of articles at loss of 15% to gain overall 10% on old transaction, at what percent rest to be sold? Okay, in this question he mentioned number of articles with fraction. Definitely you can indirectly or directly know cost price is same. Directly known cost price is same. Cost price is same. What we going to do? Do average. Okay, do average of a given quantifiers. What are the quantifiers? Profit and loss. There are totally how many articles are given? 3, because given the fraction is only 1/3. So there are 3 articles. So out of 3 articles, 1 article sold at loss of 15%. Loss indication a minus. Out of 3, 1 completed, that is called 15% loss. There are rest 2, put an X value. Take an X value and take default symbol as plus. If end of the answer is plus, you get a profit. If end of the symbol is minus, you get a loss. Okay, what is the overall percentage given? 10% is given. 10 into 3, so 10 into 3, 30. 30 minus 15, shifting to left hand side, plus 15. So 30 plus 15 gives you how much? 45x. Okay, so other way you take other step also. 30% minus 15 and plus 2x. Now 2x is equal to minus 15. It came shifting to left hand side, plus 15. It gives you 45. So 44 of 22 and 1 of 5. So what you will answer? 22.5%. 44 of is 22% and 1 of is 0.5%. So that overall symbol you get on plus, that is called a rest is sold at a profit percentage. What is a profit percentage? At 20.5%. This is simple answer. Why we use average concept? Because a cost price is same. Okay, this is a method to answer cost price same based question. Next question. A shopkeeper sells 1/3 of his articles at profit of 10%. Again, another one third of articles at a profit of 20% and the rest of articles sells at a loss of 6%. What is the overall profit percentage? Here again the articles compared by a fraction, definitely cost to price is same. So let's go for a test. Total there are one third. Total there are three articles. There are three articles. Out of three, one article a profit 10. Again one third 1. So at what profit? 20. Rest. So out of 3, 1 and 1 completed, other 1 is left. Loss means indication minus. Okay, therefore 1 into 10, 10, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 minus 6 is 24. So plus 24 gives plus 24 divided by 3, your answer is 8%. Okay, so nothing but what? So 10 minus 6 gives you 4, 20 plus 4 gives 24, it gives plus 24 divided by 3, what's the answer? 8% is the overall profit percentage. Why we use average concept? Because here cost to price is same. How can you notice given cost price is same? Because he compared number of articles by a fraction. If any number of articles compared by fraction, directly a cost to price is same. Okay, so any comparison to be happen in a complete question, definitely initial value is same or total value is same. There is no matter of total in a profit and loss, only matter of initial was same. So that's why we use average concept. What is the answer? Orally 8% is a final answer. Let's go for other question. If shopkeeper sells one third of articles at a profit of 14% and 3 by 5 of goods at a profit of 10% and the remaining at profit of 20%, and find the overall profit percentage. Look at this question. The given fraction value denominator is quite different, so you can go for an LCM. What is LCM? It is 15. So what is LCM is 15. So 15 in 3 table at 5 times. Okay, so you can do it as 5 times. And it is 3 times. So 3 3s are how much? 9. Out of 15, 14 completed, how many left? 1 left. Okay, so there are this procedure to find an LCM when denominator is not same. Okay, so 3 and 5, LCM is 15. 15 table of 3 get it 5 times and 15 at table of 5 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 5 articles sold at profit of 14 plus 14 and 9 articles sold at profit of 10% 10 and remaining 1 article sold at profit of sold at profit of 20 divided by 15. Okay, 15 4s are 70. 70 plus 20, 90. 90 plus 90 gives you 180. 180 divided by 15. Your overall answer is 12% profit. Okay, so this is an answer for the given question. Okay, so once again I explain you. Okay, so there are 1/3 of articles and 3 by 5 articles. Here denominator is not same, so you can use an LCM. What is LCM? It is 15. So in table of 3 at 15 at 5 times and table of 5 at 3 times and 3 3s are 9. Overall 15 articles, 14 completed, how many left? 1 left. 5 articles sold at 14% profit, 9 articles sold at profit of 10% and 1 article sold at 20%. 90 plus 90 gives you, so 180 divided by 15, nothing but 12% profit. What is the overall profit of the given question? Is 12% profit. Next question. 2/3 of consignment was sold at profit of 5% and the rest consignment sold at a loss of 2% and the overall profit as profit was 400 rupees. Find the overall value of consignment. Okay, overall value means what? Cost price of a consignment it is. So out of 3, there are the 3 articles is given. Out of 3, 2 sold at profit 5%. Rest at loss, nothing but 1 article, that is 2. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 2 8. Now 8 by 3 percentage, 8 by 3 percentage is profit, it is called 400. 1% is 150. Now 100% is 15,000 rupees. What is the overall cost? Overall cost of the consignment is 15,000. If he ask what is the cost of each article is divided by 3. 15,000 divided by 3 is 5,000. What is the cost of each article? 5,000. Okay, so this is simple method you can easily use in when the question compared by percentage, fraction or ratio model. You can find a net profit percentage called average concept. Okay, what is the overall consignment cost? Is 15,000 rupees. 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 2 8. 8 by 3 percent is 400. 1% is 150. 850 times 50 into 3 gives you 150. 1% is 150. 1% is 150. 100% 100% is called oral consignment cost, that is called 1500 in 150 into 100 is called 15,000 of the oral consignment. What is the cost of each article is 5,000. Okay. Next question. A person purchases 90 pence and sells 40 pence at gain of 10% and 50 pence at gain of 20%. Had, put a condition, had he sold them at a uniform profit of 15%, uniform means what? Oral profit. Okay. He sold them at a uniform profit of 15%, he would have got 40 rupees less, and find the cost price of each pen. So here the question, he mentioned number of pens. Okay. You just forget about whatever given in the question, you just forget about. Number of pens is given, a group of articles is given, directly a cost price is same. Okay. So laterally mentioned it is overall uniform profit percentage how much? 15% is overall uniform profit percentage. And before this transaction, he sold a different type of pens, like on 10%, some are 10%, some are 20%. Let me go for it is 40. Okay, 40 pence at profit of 10 and 50 pence at profit of 20. Overall divided by 90. Okay, overall divided by 90. Nothing but what? 4 into you can cross off all 110s, you can cross off 110s. Okay, 4 into 10, 40 and 100. What? Nothing but what? 140 by 9 percentage. 140 by 9 percentage. You can find the difference of these values. Okay, let me simple this one. You can do LCM. What is LCM? 9. So what is this? 9 15s are how much? 135. 140 minus 135, nothing but what? 5 percentage. Okay, nothing but what? 5 by 9 percentage is equal, how many rupees is given? 40 rupees is given. Okay, once again I repeat you, 9 15s are 135. 140 minus 135 gives you 5 by 9 percentage. 5 how many times? 8 times. So 1%. Okay, 8 9s are 72. Okay, 72. Now 100% is how much? 7,200 rupees. Okay, and he mentioned find the cost price of each pen. There are overall 90 pen. 0 zeros cancel. What is the cost price of each pen? 80 rupees. Okay, so this is a easy method to answer the same kind of question, but he asking in just a different mode of question. Okay, so let me go for it as once again. There are 90 pens. He sold of 2 level. And other condition also given. What is that? He given overall uniform profit of 15%, a 40 pence at profit of 10 and 50 pence at profit of 20. And what is the overall profit? You get a 140 by 9 percentage. So don't try to minimize. So until you get a proper answer, so you don't try to minimize it. Is some cases, some steps you get a common factor. Okay, 9 15s are 35%, 135. 140 minus 135 is 5 by 9 percentage. 5 8s are 40. 8 9s are 72. 1% is 72 rupees. Okay, there are totally 100%. 100% is 7,200. 7,200 divided by 90. Why? He asked one question. So he asked what is the cost price of each pen. 7,200 divided by 90 gives you 80 rupees of the pen. Okay, so what is the cost price of each pen? 80 rupees. Okay, next question. It's a very important question. A person buys a 4,000 kgs of wheat, 1/5 of which he sells at a gain of 5% and 1/4 at a gain of 10% and half at a gain of 12%, and he sold remain at gain of 16%. Okay, this is a one type of a condition in the question. And the second condition, if he had sold the whole at gain of 11%, he would have made a 72.80 more profit. What is the cost price of each kg? So when a fraction are followed by a given total number, don't try to take a total number, because you can find an LCM of fraction values only. If you're going to do 1/5 of 4,000, 4,000 is simple number, you can easily do calculation, but it like an 4286 and 9213, it takes a much time to do the calculation. So better to take a total value, you better to go through the fraction LCM. Okay, so that's very simple. Okay, what is the first denominator? It is 1/5. 1/5 sold at how much profit? A 5% profit. And the next fraction it is 1/4 at what percent profit? A 10% profit. What is the next fraction? 1/2. What percent profit? 12% profit. Okay, now you can find the LCM of all these numbers. What is LCM? Is 20. So 20 means 5 how many times to get on a 20? It is 4 times. 4 times, and this is 5 times, and this is how many times? It is 10 times. Okay, so you can do multiplication of this. You can do multiplication of this. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 10, 19. How much left? One article left. It is at a profit of 16%. Okay. So therefore, I do calculation. 4 articles at 5% each means 4 5s are 20. This is 20. And 5 tens are how much it is? 50. And 10 12s are how much it is? 120. And it is 16 divided by 20. And what is the overall if at other condition? 11%. Okay. Now 20 plus 50, 170. 70 plus 120, 190. 190 plus 16, 206. Now 206 divided by 20 and 11. You can find difference. So find difference means what? LCM is 20. What is LCM? 20. 20 11s are 220. When 220 minus 206 gives you 14. Okay, 14 by 220 percentage is equal to 72.8. So 10 and 1 point both are cancelled. And 14 how many times? 5 times. 14 5s are 70. 14 2s are. So 1% is 104 rupees. Okay, 1% is 104 rupees. 100% is 104 and 00. I'm asking for each cage and 4000. Let you cross 2 zeros and remove the 0, put on a decimal letter from right hand so left hand side. Next to 4 2s are 8, 2 left to 24 and 4 6 are and 24. Your answer is 2.6 rupees per kg of each cage. Okay, so this is very important. This kind of question mostly asked in mains questions. Okay, so don't need to take on 4000 cages, a time taking process, and 4 5s are 20 and 5 10s are 50 and 120 and plus 16 206. What is the fraction difference it is? So you can do calculation about this in 11 tons are 220. 220 minus 206, 14 by 20. So 20 and 1 decimal you can easily remove, and 14 52 times that is 528 and 1% is 104. 100% gives you 10,400 rupees for 4,000 kgs. So 1 kg you get on 2.6 rupees per kg. This is an answer. Okay, so you can easily use this concept of average. Okay, next question. A person buys a land for 3,60,000. He sell 1/3 of land at loss of 20% and 2/5 of land at profit at 25%. At what price must he sell the remaining land? So has to make overall profit of 10%. He asking selling price. Okay, so what is the fraction? First one, 1/3 he sold at loss of 20%. Loss means minus, and 2/5 is given. 2/5 of land at a profit of 25%. 2/5 of land at 25% profit. Okay, this is given. And what is of LCM? 15. So 15 in the table of 3 at 5 times. Okay, at 5 times. So this is 5 times, and at how many times? 3 times. So 3 2s are how much? It is 6. Okay, so 5 plus 6 gives you 11. How many articles are left? Again 4 articles are left. Okay, so 5 articles and 6 articles and 16. 5 plus 6, 11 articles. So to get an overall 15, you get on 4 are left. Divided by 15, divided by 15, 5 20s are how much? It is 100, and 6 25s are how much? 150, and remaining are 4x is equal to 10. Okay, minus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 50 and plus 50 and 150, 100. 100 divided by x, 100 divided by 4 gives you 25%. Now x is equal how much you have to sold? 25%. He asking selling price. What is the overall cost price? 3,60,000. Okay, total land is how many parts? 15 parts. Upon 15, 11 complete. How many left? 4 left. Okay, 25% fraction is 1/4. Upon 4, 1 increase, nothing but what? 5. 4 4 cancel. 5 how many times? 3 times. So 1/3 of 3,60,000, it gives you 1,20,000. Okay, rest land you going to sold at 1,20,000. Okay, so this is a previous year question, easily answered by average concept. Okay, he asking selling price of article. Okay, so remaining land is sold at 25% profit. So 4 parts is cost price, 1 part is profit. What is selling price? 5 parts. Okay, so upon 15 parts, 4 parts are left to sold. There are take 4 parts. Okay, 4 4 cancel, 5 3 times, and 1/3 of 3,60,000 gives you 1,20,000. Rest land sold at 1,20,000. Okay, Next question. A shopkeeper sold a number of articles in a ratio 2:3:3 to give 5% profit, 3% loss and 4% profit. What is the percent of net profit made on total articles? So I already I give a clue on ratio. Okay. So any articles are compared by percentages, ratio or fraction. Directly cost price is same. If the cost price is same, do average. Okay. Therefore totally 2 plus 3 plus 3 gives you total how many articles it is? Totally 8 articles. So 2 articles is how much profit? 5% profit. Okay. And 3 articles are how much loss? So 3% loss. Loss means minus. Okay. And remaining 3 are at how much profit? 4 profit. 2 5s are 10 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12 divided by 8. Okay. Divided by 8. So nothing but what 10 minus 9 nothing but 1, so 13 by 8. So you can do calculation about 8 ones are 8. So if you want to do calculation in simple method, so you can easily do it as 13 1 by 8 can I write 1 by 8 and 12 by 8. Okay, what is LCM? 13 by 8. So or you can do the simple calculation of other also. What I do it is 8 by 8 plus 5 by 8. 8 by 8 nothing but what 1. Okay, get my logic. 8 by 8 gives you how much? 1 and decimal, put a decimal. So 8 6 are 48. 48 how much left? 2. 8 2 are 16. 8 5 are 40. So what's your answer? 1.625. Okay, in 13 table are 8 left to take in 1 point. Okay, 5 by 8. 5 by 8 value is nothing but what? 6.25. Or 1 by 8 value is 12.5. 125 5 times is 625. Okay, so do smart calculation. In exam 8 by 8 gives you 1 and 1 by 8 value is 0.125. 0.125 5 times 0.625. Okay, watch decimal chapter class, it will help you to answer in very smart way. Okay, so 1 by 8 value is 0.125. 0.125 5 times you gives 6.25. So answer is 1.625 is the right answer. Okay, so this is the previous question. Okay, this is a method for if cost to price is same.